Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas.
Hello.
Christmas! We are in having another date. But this time we're expecting a third person.
Ooh, this time it's a three-way.
It's a surprise. We'll show you later. Hi, Josiah.
Little sweetie.
Oh my gosh, I love your little outfit. Hi.
Oh.
He's like, get that thing away from my face. You're cute.
Mama's coming.
Feeling alone, kinda misty.
Look at Auntie Michelle.
For you to come.
I know.
It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm.
Someone's in a really good mood today.
And dream.
5. Look at her practicing.
Tell me again.
No, I mean she's gonna practice. She's practicing with him. He's like, what is that? What is this? Look at that. Hi. Oh my god.
And the stars above. I'm smiling.
There we go.
When
Looks
I
good.
see you.
Yeah, just flip the screen. Like this? Yeah, flip the screen. Like that? No, the other screen. Screen, yeah, snippets. Like this? Oh. Wow. Fancy. Look at you, pro mama over here. I think so. That solved all the problems.
How lucky can be so hard, and I fall.
Hey, this is a late start to Vlogmas, but here's Vlogmas day 5 or 6. I can't remember. This one's a pretty tree. Okay, so so far I found something from Lime Crime and it's actually pretty cute, but I don't know, $34? I think it's a good deal, but I don't know if I'll get it. We'll see. And we got some Makeup Forever. What's up? Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I got a new camera! So, just when I thought that I wasn't gonna get anything for Black Friday, if only the box would cooperate. Alright, I'm just gonna, okay. Yay! We've got the camera box over here. Exciting, exciting stuff. And I got myself a little mini tripod thing. I guess I'm gonna use it for vlogging, so cute. And then it also came with an extra battery because, you know, I'm always running out of battery, so this is great. If you can see, I'm gonna open a little tripod thing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Aw, here we go, that's how it looks like. And all right, the exciting part, the most exciting part. Yes, finally did it. All right, so it comes with, what is this? Learn how to use your new camera with full potential with the Canon Coach app. Oh, cool. So apparently Canon has a app that can help you learn how to use your new camera. So that's pretty cool. I did not get that last time I got a camera from Canon. And you've got your manual. This is the dealer record of purchase. All right, so as you can see, it comes with a strap just like any other Canon camera. At least I'm pretty sure all of them do come with a strap, some sort of strap. Here's our battery. Ooh, it's my lens. This is the kit lens that it comes with. This is just how it looks like. This is the little battery wall charger. All right, here's the camera. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. So I am filming with the Canon G7X, and just like the Canon G7X, it does have a flip up screen as well. So this is gonna be perfect for vlogging and just, you know, making more content. I'm excited. Oh, so pretty. I love it. It's so sleek. This is how it looks like with a little tripod that I came with. And probably, I don't know, I'm gonna test it out and see if I like it with this camera, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Ah, stunning. Focus camera, stunning. I love it. So beautiful. I cannot wait to play with it. All right guys, so that is all that I have for you guys today. Wow, I just said guys so many times. I hope you enjoyed my very first unboxing on my channel, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, as well as click the notification bell so when I upload the next video. Bye guys.